Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Code with Aminur. Today we will see how to perform CRUD operations using API views. Let's get started. So I've created a virtual environment and a project. Okay, and I've also created an app. Now what I will do in the settings.py, I have to register the REST framework and uh, the app. So let's do it quickly. Done. Now this is the urls.py. Here we will work and I will create one model, a simple model, say student model. Okay, it will inherit models.model, and now there will be only two columns. One is would be of char field. Okay, max length would be 100. Say marks. So it would be of integer type. Okay, and now I have to register it in the admin.py. So from my app dot models import student and our class student admin, and here will be admin dot model admin. And now we will use this display. We are doing this so that we can use all this, so we can display all this in the admin panel. Okay, name and marks was there. So now admin dot site dot register, and now it would be student and student admin. Done. Now we will create a serializer file. Okay, so that we can convert complex data types to simple JSON and vice versa. So from REST underscore framework import serializers, and then we have to create a class. Class name would be say student serializer serializers dot serializer. It is very much similar like model form or yeah, model serializer. It would be model serializer. Now we will use class meta. Class meta is a special inner class which is used for configuration purpose. Like here we define the model and the fields. Fields would be say all fields, and we will import student model from myapp.models import student. Done. Serializers part is done. Now we will use only these two. Uh, we will use only views.py here. See, in the views.py, we will do this. We will do from myapp.serializers import student serializer. Done from REST framework. What we will do? We will from REST framework.views import list import list API view. Okay, it won't be this. Rather, it will be generics import list create API view, and we'll also do retrieve update destroy API view. So these two API views perform my complete CRUD operations. So let's create a class student. Okay, class student API view. It will inherit only list create API view, and what we will do is inside it we have to write the query set. What it would be the query set? Query set would be student dot objects dot all. And one more thing we have to give here, that is serializer class, that is equals to student serializer. Done. It will perform my it will display all the records which are present in the database, and it will also help to create new records. I will create one more student API. Let's name it list create API. Okay, API view. I'm just copying this one and just replacing this part. So it will be a meaningful name. Okay. Same I will do it for this one also. Just a second. Done. And we will copy this part also, because this part will also remain same. Done. This part is done, and now we will set the URLs part. Okay. Now we will set the URLs part. Suppose if anyone clicks on student, okay, now it will be from my app. Okay, we have to import the views from my app. Import views. Now here I will write views dot student list create API view. Okay, dot as underscore view, because it's a class based view. I'm doing this, and now for student, and we have to pass the ID also, no? So we have to make the URL dynamic. Okay, views dot student retrieve update API view, and underscore view. Done. So this part also done. There is no error, I hope so. Now let's go to the browser. So guys, I have done the make migration migrate part, and I've also created a super user, and you can see the route that I am in the student route now. Now I can create new students, say Ramino Rahman, marks will be say 98, and if I post, you can see that the data got post, and here you can see the new record. Now if I enter one more record, say Javin, marks would be say 90, post again. So new data also got post. Now if I refresh this page, you can see that two record data got inserted. Okay. Now say if I want to edit the marks of ID number 2. Okay. So let's hit 2, enter. From 90, what we can do, we can make it say 95. Okay. Now if I click on put, it got updated. Now if I refresh this page and go back to the student route, see what happens. The marks got updated. It's now 95. Okay. So I've shown you how to create, how to update, and it's showing. So create, read, and update is done. And now we will do delete. So I want to delete the second ID. Okay. Now if I click on delete button, it's asking whether are you sure you want to delete or not. So I'm clicking the delete. Let's see what happens. So I got HTTP 204 no content. Okay, now if I go and refresh my page again and go to student out, you can see only one record is there. So this is the third operation which I performed using API view. Okay, thanks for watching.